I worked for a financial institution for 22 years, and it was prior to all the upheaval we're having now, but they were already starting to downsize, and I was laid off. And I took a month off, spent time with my elderly father, and then started looking for a job, got another job. It lasted about a year, but in between that time, my father became ill. And I had a crash course in everything, and wish I'd known about this kind of service then, because we could have utilized it. And then when I was laid off from my job after a year, I started contemplating it, and it just seemed to be a good fit. It came in at the right time. It was something I was interested in, thought I would be pretty good at. And I've always been very comfortable with seniors, and used to go visit them as children, in and out of people's house, just talking to the parents that lived with them. So I just thought it was a pretty good fit. I knew someone that has a franchise, and I was talking to them first to see if it would be something I would be interested in. And the more I talked, the more I liked. I checked out a few things, but I didn't have that connection. I didn't have that gut feeling that this is what I'd like to do, that I did talking with everybody that I met in the franchise. So it seemed to be a perfect fit. It fit a lot of my philosophy in life of compassion and care, affordability, things like that. So it just seemed to mesh very well with my own lifestyle.